How to connect Google Search Console with Shopify. Hello everyone, on this quick tutorial I'm going to show you guys step-by-step process of how easily connect the Google Search Console with your Shopify store. Then you can start tracking your website's organic performance on Google Search. So make sure to finish this video until the end, then you will be easily understanding how Google sees your store and improving your SEO and also boosting organic traffic that's help you attract more customers and grow your sales for free. So without no more talking, let's get started. First guys, open your Shopify dashboard. Then before starting on Shopify, just go and open a new browser. Then in the search bar, tap Google Search Console. Then guys, scroll to Google Search Console link. Then first guys, you need to add and create account on Google Search Console with linked with your email address or phone number. Then after verified your account on Google Search and create your account, just go and hit on these three lines and hit on search bar and add a proprietary. Then guys, go directly to the second section. Then go directly to the second one, URL prefix. Then guys, go back to your Shopify store. Then first guys, before starting to add your link on Shopify, first guys, you need to go directly to online store, then hit online store, then scroll to preference. Then hit on preference. Then guys, you need to remove first you need to remove the password protection. Just scroll to the bottom and go to the password protection section. Then guys, you need to select restrict access to visitors with the password. Then you need to remove this password, but first you need to buy a plan. Then if you want to remove the password protection, just go and pick a plan and select pick a plan. Then I will show you how easily add the select a plan. Then after buying, I prefer to choose the basic one if you are a beginner. Go and I will show you how easily link your Google Search Console with your Shopify. Then first guys, you need to hit on online store, then go directly to this eye icon. Then it will take you to your professional or official link on your Shopify. Then guys, go to the top and copy the link on Shopify store. Then go back to your Google Search Console, then paste it. Then paste it and make sure to remove the /forward. Then go and hit on continue. Then guys, wait a few seconds to verify your ownership. Then guys, before adding this code, just go and scroll down and hit on HTML tag. Then again hit on HTML tag. Then hit on HTML tag. Then go directly and copy the HTML code. Then go again to your Shopify store. Go again to your Shopify store. Then go and scroll and hit on theme section. Then go directly to these three dots. Then hit on three dots. Then hit on edit code. Then guys, it will take you directly to the code section. Then it's very easy. Just tap in the search bar theme.liquid, or you can just scroll to select theme.liquid. Then guys, and go directly on front of head. Then hit on select your mouse. Then hit on enter. Then guys, automatically go and paste the code under head. Then hit on paste the code. Then on the top hit on save. Then guys, it's take a few seconds. Then just go back after saving your code on theme liquid section. Then hit on exit. Then go back and go and open your Google Search Console and hit on verify. Then wait a few seconds, verify. It may take a minute. Then as you see guys, your ownership verified. Now your Google Search Console was linked successfully with Shopify. Then go to proprietary. Wait a few seconds. As you see guys, now your Google Search Console was verified and linked with your Shopify account successfully. Then you can easily start tracking your website's organic performance on Google Search. As you see guys, it's very easy. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.